Most likely you've heard the quote, practice makes perfect. Have you ever heard practice makes you better at what you're doing? Practicing anything is going to help you get better at it. Is it going to make you perfect at it? I don't know. I have yet to ever prove that theory correct, but I know that I have improved the things that I've had chances to practice. I recently found that I was practicing editing without even realizing it. I was taking some old YouTube videos of mine and cutting them down and posting them on an Instagram account called Filmmakers. It's a new passion project that I'm working on that I want to get as many people involved as possible. Just a simple feed of photos and videos where hopefully more people like you could share your setups, your DIY projects. So as I've been curating some content for the Instagram feed, I decided to grab an old video that I posted here on Knoptop, a wrist strap tutorial, how to make your own Paracord wrist strap. And I needed to cut it down to a minute, which is crazy. As you can see, I'm using my phone to edit this video, which is a whole challenge all by itself, but I'll talk about that in a future episode. Let me know if you want to hear more about this, but basically one of my favorite apps is Videoshop. And as you can see here, I'm going through, I'm scrubbing, I'm trying to find the right areas where I can just cut out that I don't need. And I was struggling trying to get this thing cut down to 1 minute. I pretty much was going to give up on it, and then I did it. I got it to work, and it told the story I wanted to tell. With Instagram, people are moving pretty quickly, and in some cases, they might only watch the first few seconds of it. So putting that video out on a different platform and thinking differently about how I wanted the viewer to take it in and what I wanted them to see right away taught me a few things. One, anything's possible. If you can cut out 6 minutes of a video and still tell the same story, makes you wonder how long that video should have been to begin with, right? There was parts of the video I really didn't need in there, and maybe I cut out too much. You can take a look at it up there on Instagram and you can tell me. I would definitely encourage you to try it out. Take a practice and cut down an older video that you created and just see if you can tell the same story in a shorter length. That will really help teach you something. So if you want to check out the edited version, check out the Instagram account, Filmmaker. The link will be in the description, and the other link for the original videos there, and you can kind of compare and see how I cut that together and what I cut out, and let me know what you think about it. There's a lot of other resources and ways you can practice and learn more about editing. One specific way is a YouTube channel called This Guy Edits. It's a channel I came across about a year ago, and he shares some really cool techniques and tips in editing, and you can see some before and afters of techniques that he's used to form scenes to make them more interesting, more dramatic. Really cool content there. And there's also a really good book on editing called In the Blink of an Eye by Murch. That book is linked in the description of this video. I've only had a chance to kind of skim through it, but it's got a lot of really cool techniques and tips that could also help you if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tricks and tips and filmmaking tutorials. And be sure to check out the Instagram feed for Filmmaker. I'd love for more people like you to be involved and to contribute to it. I am posting stuff for my channel and a lot of pictures and things like that, but I would love for people to submit stuff. So you can send in a message there, share your camera rig, a DIY, or even a little video. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Knoptop, go make something. Oh, hello.